Now let's begin the chapter strategies for enhancement in food production. So first, that is why it was needed, because there was hunger. 840 million people in India and worldwide suffer from not getting food, and more than 3 billion people suffering from hunger, hidden hunger. So this is the reason why we are discussing this chapter. In 1960, the Green Revolution came. The time period from 1960 to 2000 called Green Revolution. Norman Borlaug Borlaug at International Rice, Wheat and Maize Research Center developed the semi-dwarf varieties of wheat, that is Sonalika, Kalyan Sona, and in 1963 these varieties were introduced over the all wheat growing belt of India, and then other semi-dwarf varieties of rice from International Rice Research Institute Philippines, Taichung Native 1 IR8 were introduced. In 1966, Jaya and Ratna were later it made in India and introduced. Similarly, Jawar, Bajra, maize, these varieties, and crossing of sugarcane varieties, that is Saccharum barbarii and Saccharum officinate. In plants, first, the most in hybridization, the most important step is the collection of variability. So first, we collected the variability. Now selection and evolution of the parent, then cross hybridization of the selected parents, then selection and testing of the superior recombinant, then testing, release and commercialization of the cultivars. Before sending it to the other farmers to the all over the India or over the country, first, at least for the 3 seasons, it's grown all over the country. So it was for the plant. For animals, there is also, so there is outcrossing. In outcrossing, there is cross hybridization. So cross hybridization, mating of one superior male breed of one breed and superior female of the another breed, and there is interspecific hybridization between two species but of related. Example is like donkey and fertile, because these are against the law of nature. Then in outbreeding, there is a outcrossing. Outcrossing means mating between single breed but unknown ancestor or not related ancestors for 4 to 6 generation. So then we were talking about the crop, then their variety, and for what property they are having. Wheat, himgiri, variety is himgiri, and it is leaf resistant to leaf and stripe, rust, hill, burnt. Brassica, pusa, swarnim, karan rai, white rust, resistance to white rust. Cauliflower, pusa, shubra, pusa, snowball, K1, resistance to black rot, bacterial blight, black rot. Pea, variety cowpea, bacterial blight. Then chili, pusa sadabahar, resistance to chili mosaic virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and then there is a leaf curl. Then crop variety, insect pest. Crop is wheat, variety pusa gaurav. Variety pusa gaurav, it's variety of wheat which whose insect is aphid. Then seam, flat bean, seam 2, seam 3, pusa seam 2, seam 3. It is insect pest, jessid, aphid, fruit borer. Then okra, bhindi, varieties pusa savani, pusa A4. Insect pest is shoot and fruit borer. So basically these were the points, and that is terms are there: biomagnification, So there not biomagnification means increase in the poisoning level of a high metal of metals of high density and living organism is called biomagnification. So in nutrient there is biofortification. So in IR Indian agriculture IARI tried a lot. In 2000 maize hybrid had twice the amount of amino acid lysine tryptophan compared to existing maize hybrid were developed in 2000. 8 plus double six, its variety of wheat having a high protein content, and it was used as a donor. Then vitamin A enriched, the crop varieties or the varieties developed by IARI, vitamin A enriched spinach, carrot, pumpkin, vitamin C enriched bitter gourd, bathua, mustard, tomato, protein, flat bean, pea, garden pea, French labla broad bean, calcium, iron enriched, bathua, spinach. 1950, there was a concept of tissue culture, micropropagation came, and it was also like a revolution. Spirulina is also there. To get 1 kg of meat, we have to invest 3 to 10 kg of grains. So, more than 25% of human population suffering from hunger and malnutrition. Spirulina can grow on, that's called single SCP, single cell protein, can grow on the waste from the potato industry, from the sugar industry, like this from the household wastes, sewage waste, and it gives 25 tons of protein. Then 62% of Indian population involved in farming, it and farming contribute 33% of the GDP. Now let's do some of the reactions of the organic chemistry. So what I can recall is Stephen's reaction. Stephenson's reaction, in this cyanide convert into aldehyde in the presence of tin HCl or tin chloride HCl. Mendius reduction, cyanide convert into amine in the presence of sodium ethanol. Clemenson's reduction, aldehyde convert into alkyl group in the presence of zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. Itard reaction, in this aldehyde convert into alkyl convert into aldehyde in the presence of chromic chloride. Alps oxidation, phenol convert into quinol. Then move next, Smith reaction. In Smith reaction, carbonyl compound react with the hydrozoic acid, formation of amine is there. Kolbe-Smith reaction, in this phenol react with CO2 in the presence of base, strong base, convert into main product is salicylic acid. If instead of CO2 there is CO, then formation of a salicylaldehyde will be there. Then after Smith, Kolbe-Smith reaction, Hunsteiger's borodiene reaction, in this silver salt of fatty acid 2 moles react to form react and gives ether, and if there is in the presence of bromine, if then formation of alkyl halide is there. If there is iodine, then formation of ester will be there. Hoffman ammonolysis reaction, alkyl halide react with ammonia, and finally formation of quaternary ammonium ion. HVZ reaction, Helvol hard Zelenski reaction, in this alpha at beta position, I think alpha beta, alpha hydrogen is replaced by hydrogen. Wittig reaction, in this carbonyl compound react with triphenyl phosphomethane, formation of alkene is there. Novel-Gel reaction, in this carbonyl compound or benzaldehyde react with malonic acid and formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is cinnamic acid. Curtius reaction, carbonyl compound react with the ammonia, formation of amide is there. In Hoffman bromamide reaction, amide converted into amine. Birch reduction, benzene convert into cyclohexane 1,4-diene. In Bachelor's reaction, in this phenol react with in presence of zinc chloride to 50 degrees centigrade temperature convert into phenol. Cumin process, benzene react with propene, formation of isopropyl benzene is there, it's called cumin, and formation of pure phenol is there. Reschig process, through this we prepare chlorobenzene through Dow's process. And if we will treat chlorobenzene with silica, boil chlorobenzene with silica, then conversion it will convert into phenol. And in Dow's process, chlorobenzene in the presence of high temperature, high pressure, in the presence of caustic soda, convert into phenol. Carbyl amine reaction, in this alkyl halide react with in this amine react with the chloroform in the presence of KOH and convert into isocyanate. So these were some of the reactions. That's all. Thanks for watching.